Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll give you a brief about the personal context in Gemini. So if you don't know about personal context, then it is a feature in Gemini that allows the AI to provide more relevant, tailored responses by analyzing your past chats, connected Google apps like Gmail, Docs, Drive, and Photos, and explicit personal instructions. It functions as a digital memory or personal intelligence, enabling Gemini to understand your preferences, interests, and history, similar to working with an assistant that knows you. So, let me show you how you can add your own personal context in Gemini. So, to do that, you will simply need to go to the gemini.google.com and then from here, click onto the settings and help section at the bottom. Now, it will open this menu section, and from this menu section you need to click onto personal context, and from here you need to enable this your instructions for Gemini and memory options. Once you will do this, you can simply add a particular instruction for Gemini. As you can see, I have already added a personal instruction in Gemini, as you can see right here. To add any instruction, you can click onto this add button and type in the instruction that you want and click onto this submit option, and your personal context information will be submitted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.